write an algebraic expression, so that's using numbers and variables, for 12 less than the product of, so remember, if you see product of, everything after this should be in parentheses. Or like next to each other. So what am I multiplying?
7 n times 7.
N times 7 or 7n. So that's the product of. But what's happening with that 12?
Minus 12.
But it says less than. So how should you write it? Yeah, you're right. 7n and minus 12, you're right. I'm sorry. You're right.
I beat the teacher.
Yeah.
Once. Never will do that again.
Exactly.
Should I write this?
Yes, there is a 1 here.
Mm-hmm.
But there's also an imaginary 1 here.
So -1.
And what does it mean when a number is outside the parenthesis?
You put it on the others, or multiply by the others.
Yeah, you multiply by the others.
So it would
negative
stay
1.
9, and then W2. Or no,
No, so you're going to multiply this -1 by this 1w.
That'd be -1.
Negative 1w. So you just did this one,
And then -1 minus 9 would just say negative.
not minus 9.
-1.
You're timesing. So -1 times a -9.
-1
It's -9. We should have guessed that.
And negative times a negative equals a
positive, so it's minus.
Positive.
It's -1w minus 9. -9. 9.
So the answer is 9.
So what number is right there that I can't see?
-1.
Right, it's a 1. When a number is out front, in front of a parenthesis, what math do I have to do? We did it on last night's homework.
I don't remember.
Distribution. So when you do distribution, you take the number out front times the first number, and you also do the number out front times the second number.
So it's 9.
Can you combine something that has a variable and something that does not have a variable?
Wait, hold on. If it's -1 times 1w.
That's just -1w.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, what would this one be? Bring down your minus sign. What's -1 times 9?
Isn't that a -9 technically?
Right. So what happens here?
So it's 9.
So can I combine those two?